Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel AK Coding. So today we are diving into the world of mobile app development with a comparison of two powerful frameworks, that is Flutter and React Native. So in this session we will discuss the differences between Flutter and React Native, and also we will focus some strength and weakness of Flutter and React Native in different use cases of application development. Let us move forward. Let us discuss differences between Flutter and React Native in technical perspective. Point A, Flutter is developed and backed by Google, whereas React Native is developed and backed by Facebook. Flutter is written in Dart programming language, which is new in the market, whereas React Native is written in JavaScript, which is very old and very popular programming language in the market. Most of the developer are more comfortable with the JavaScript because they might have prior knowledge in JavaScript. Point number C, Flutter uses its own rendering engine which have more control over customization of a UI component, whereas React Native has no their own rendering engine, so they has no power to control or customize UI component in the application. Point number D, Flutter and React Native both are the cross-platform app development, but Flutter focuses on mainly mobile, web and desktop technology, whereas React Native is mainly focused on Android and iOS, and it has no much focus on web and desktop. Moving forward to the point number 2, here we will see differences between Flutter and React Native in development experience perspective. Point number 1, learning curve. So Flutter required more learning curve due to Dart programming language, which is new in the market. Whereas in React Native, it is using JavaScript programming language, which is a very old and popular programming language. So most of the developer might have their prior knowledge and experience in JavaScript. So in case of React Native, there is a lesser learning curve required. Moving forward to the point number 2, development environment. So Flutter required some Flutter tools, Android Studio, Visual Studio to be installed in the machine to work with the Flutter. Same in React Native, they required some React Native tool in the machine. Also they required to install Android Studio and Visual Studio code, and also they might require for the Xcode in the case of iOS development. Moving forward to the point number 3, hard reloading. So both platforms support for the hard loading to help us fast development of the application. Moving forward to the point number 3, here we will see the differences between Flutter and React Native with performance and UI perspective. Point number 1, rendering and performance. Flutter uses its own rendering engine, provide consistent UI and better control and potentially faster because it has their own custom engine. Whereas in React Native, it is utilizing native component leading to the near native performance but might have minor discrepancies. So basically React Native has no custom rendering engine of the UI widgets. It is totally depend upon the native component UI component. That's why it might lead some performance issue in the application. Moving forward to the point number 2, custom UI design. So basically Flutter has their own rendering engine, so it has more power to customize and give flexibility for the design options in the application, whereas in React Native it is totally depend upon the native components, so they has no much power to customize their UI components. Moving forward to the point number 4, ecosystem and community. Number 1, library and package support. So in Flutter going ecosystem and strong Google backing, whereas React Native established ecosystem with a large number of third-party packages. Number 2, community support. So Flutter has rapid growing community, extensive resources, whereas in React Native it has large community with a wealth of resources and plugins available in the React Native due to JavaScript, because JavaScript is a very old programming language, so there is available variety of libraries in JavaScripts. Moving forward to the point number 5th, development and platform support. Number 1, platform reach. Both platforms support iOS and Android. Flutter also support web, desktop, Windows, macOS, Linux in variety of stages of development, whereas React Native mostly focus on mobile with the same web and desktop support through third-party project. Number 2, deployment ease. So both platform provides tool for seamless deployment to the App Store and Play Store. Moving forward for the final point, that is conclusion. So no matter which platform you choose, both platform Flutter and React Native has powerful tools for creating high quality mobile applications. The key is to understand their strengths and limitations, enabling you to make an informed decision that aligns with your development goal. So both are the good for the mobile application development. That's all about differences between Flutter and React Native. I hope it will helpful for you. If you are looking forward to download lecture PDF, so you can download from description below. Thanks guys.